Sana drama na lang to.
Guys,
Sana
ganito
TV
na
show
pala
lang.
ang kalagayan ni Doc Willie.
All this food,
tingnan
they
nyo,
taste like
ang
metal.
payat na
This
niya.
watermelon for you tastes ordinary, but for me,
Pag talaga tayo nagkasakit, wala tayong ganang kumain. But
watermelon and dragon fruit for bowel movement.
yan yung
That is the
ginagawa ni
correct
Doc.
process of healing. You should
Kahit
defecate,
walang
pass your bowels and urinate every day. Get all the toxins
panlasa
out.
sa kanya,
You know what my doctor said? You can eat anything. You have cancer. You try to eat. Even if no taste, I try and try to eat. If I don't eat, I
Grabe
will die.
ang pagpayat
These are my
niya
medicine.
ba?
I will take it in front of you.
Rapid.
My relatives do not want me to make this video, but I said, owe it to the Filipino people to be honest to them. I owe it.
Sana
Mahal na 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 mahal ko kayo po lahat. Bawat takbo ko para po sa inyo, hindi para sa akin. Unang campaign ko, wala akong gastos kahit na paklo, wala akong gastos, wala akong niloko, wala akong inaway. Anong ginawa niyo? Binash na ako ng binash. Sumabas overload ko. Filipinos, love and cherish each other. Pray to the Blessed Virgin Mary. Pray to Padre Pio. Pray to the Lord Jesus Christ. Hindi po ako nagloloko. Hindi to bola-bola. Life and death to. Baka bukas patay na ako. If I live, I will live for you. I will live for every Juan de la Cruz. We need good people to run. Good people to run as senator, president, congressman, lahat. We should love the earth. No to mining. We should tax the correct people. Stop the corruption. Look, the Philippines is so rich. You politician, you bribe the people. You give them money to vote for you. You keep them stupid. You want them stupid. Take this. I was crying because they had the best health care. Our Filipinos have no health care. This is the new Doc Willie. Sorry for those watching. I have to do this. This is my mission. Live or die, I will be true to myself. The only reason to live is I love my daughter, Catherine. I want to live. I love Yen Yen. I love Jelly. I love Lisa. I love Ryan. I love Mark. I love all the nurses here. I also love all the politicians here. You are my friends. Di ba kaibigan tayo? Pero everything I do for you. Ako na ang pinakamalinis na ginagawa. Binababoy niyo pa ako. May isang basher nagsabi sa akin, Doc Willie, even if you run 10 times again and again, you will lose again and again and again. What did I do to you? Why do you hate me so much? What did I do? I never attacked Duterte. I never attacked PBM. I never attacked Neri. I never attacked Pico. I'm nice to them. I interview them. Listen, marami ako napapanipinipan kasi I saw my mom who it is died. My mom died, nandun siya. Pati tinukuhan na niya ako eh. All my 60 years old, I serve Filipino people. Lahat ng charity, all my charity work in Salamat Doc, in Makabayan Doctor, in doing charity work in Pasay, Philippines, Chinese for 25 years. I always give it to the Filipinos. Anyway, I will decide if I put out this video or not. Pero this is how I feel. If I do not put out this video, I will just die. The news will be, Doc Willie died one day. He did not tell his followers. He lied to his followers.